Today's video, I'm going to do unboxing from Olive Young. I got this box because I accepted to affiliate program. So if you would like to shop at Olive Young, please refer to description of this video and you will find the affiliate link so you can get some commission off. I already opened it before and I looked through, so this is not first impression. So this brand is actually very popular in Korea, and I think the hair oil, this is 3 different sizes, actually 2 sizes of, let me see, is it like 50 milliliters or something. So it's very popular hair oil, and I think it was voted as one of the best hair oils of 2021 by Olive Young. So I guess this is what the most purchased item of 2021 at Olive Young. So the same 2 sizes and then small bottle. So basically, if you don't want to open the bigger bottle, you can open this bottle first. Oh, I actually saw this oil at other retailers of kbeauty and I wanted to order it, but I think I had to wait for some time until it will be shipped. And I just apply it on my long hair, and I think to show how good is the hair oil, it's good to show it on a very long hair. So my hair is pretty long and I immediately feel like it's instantly become very smooth. I mean, I also use hair treatments and conditioners for repairing my hair, so it was already smooth before, but this is just like silk. And it also comes other 2 bottles with a pump, but this one comes like basically you know, you just need to squeeze it on your hands and then basically you just apply it. The scent is pretty strong in the beginning, but then it doesn't stay long and it's on a floral side. And also it reminded me when I used to live in Southeast Asia, in Indonesia, and I think I used some of the conditioners or some of the hair products that smell like that. And I also tried some Japanese shampoo before, which smells similar to this. So it has some floral hints in this hair serum, and I can prove that, yeah, I understand why it's so good, that it doesn't feel crazy. Hair instantly is smooth. So yeah, this is what I wanted to share. All right, so I would like to start, I guess, from sheet masks. So sometimes I love to have a sheet mask. I tried this brand before. It's also very popular in Korea and their skincare is also very popular. So Gummy sheet mask milk sticker. I tried this one and it was in summer or in spring. I think it was more like spring summer time, and my skin didn't need so much hydration, but this one is very good for those who have like extremely dry skin, and right now in winter this is going to be the perfect match for your skin if you have dry skin. I haven't tried this brand, so it's Brain Green, it's tea tree fresh mask, bamboo charcoal fresh mask. Gudal is also very popular in Korea, and I also saw that it's popular on Amazon as well. So their serum, Vita C Dark Serum Spot Serum, this is basically in the sheet mask. I am not sure how sheet masks can help you with hyperpigmentation and dark spots in one time, but if you don't want to use sheet masks, I would recommend you to also buy like this serum instead. But you know, if you want to try out one time, why not? And there is also product list of the stuff and some other information, and that is from Olive Young Global. You know, when it comes to Olive Young, it's the brands that you might not hear from influencers on Instagram or on YouTube. By the way, if you like to read skincare reviews and see more like short videos, you can refer to my shorts, or you can go to my Instagram page, which is Anna Mishu blog. I will leave a link in the description box below. So I never heard of this brand. Is BOH by a heel, and it's very interesting that it comes in different like different sizes. So in the tube and then in the jar, but it seems like it's all the same product, to be honest. if All Yan send me this, this is what must be purchased in Korea by Korean people. So it might not look familiar to you like other brands, like I said, what you saw on social media before. I'm also very happy that All Yan included sunscreen. So it's around a round green tea Cica sun lotion. And it says that it has a mild formula, essential oil. It's 50 plus SPF, PA+++. It's 100 milliliters, which is great size because usually sunscreen comes like in 50 milliliters, you know. So it comes in the shape like this, and as I think it is a physical sunscreen. I feel like it's nothing written in English, unfortunately. Basically, All Yan brand, I think is going to be Daily Clean Beauty, Round and Round. I feel like this is the All Yan brand, and it's actually All Yan Awards of 2020, and also it's Beauty Awards of 2019. So this is going to be, I guess, a good sunscreen. I haven't opened it, of course, and it's actually not sealed, guys. So, and it's expired 2024. I also very excited to try brands that are not popular on the international market, because some brands can be imported to other countries and they never sold in Korea. So this is actually what is sold in Korea. So this is what I love about the All Yan, and what the products that they send, that I can learn about other products that sold in Korea right now. Next one is also very interesting packaging. It's Rosy Tone Up Cream, colorgram, and packaging is very interesting. It's basically like a moisturizer, but it's pink and it gives tone up effect to your skin. I also read the ingredients that it contains titanium dioxide. So although it doesn't say that it's SPF, but some of the tone up creams, like like Make Prem, you can check it out, one of my videos that I did review on Make Prem Tone Up Sun Cream, which is also pink. To be honest, it gives slight tone up effect, like your face will be basically with even tone. So I love that, but it's not like foundation, so it has like a hint of pink, and it helps to even out your skin tone. Another item is Fillimilli 320 facial puffs. So what is popular in Korea, instead of sheet mask, you can use this kind of facial puffs, and you soak them in essence or your toners, and then you basically apply it on the areas that need some attention instead of wasting the whole sheet mask. Sometimes sheet masks don't fit well on your face. I think I got something similar before, like last year, and it doesn't feel like it's cotton. I feel like it's more like like some fabric in it, and I think it's nothing written in English right here, only 1.5 facial puff. So maybe you can divide it into two, I don't know, 1.5 facial puff, maybe that's how it's called like. And also there are some makeup items by Colorgram, which is same brand as Tone Up Cream, and it's Artist Formula Cream Liner. It's in roasted brown, and what I loved about this gloss tint, that it's like gloss, and it's in transparent shape. It's WAKEMAKE. I think this brand is pretty popular on All Yan website. I think I got eye product like eyeshadows or something, eye styler from the same brand, and lip tint. I still didn't get a chance to use it because I have other makeup products that are open, and it's water blurring fixing tint, and it has very interesting holographic protection, authenticity seal, which is very interesting. I have seen it on a few other skincare products from Korea as well. I guess, guys, you love this video, and I hope you give me a like and thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, if you're interested in more unboxing and skincare products reviews. And I will see you in my next videos, and bye-bye. It's Mise-en-scene, Mise-en-scene.